Today let's learn about how to make candle flame light in Maya Arnold. This is the candle model which we use to make it candle flame. Firstly, select the mesh and go to object mode and right click and create AI standard surface shader. I have already created here. Now go down to transmission section and increase the value according to your scene. It could be 1 or near to 1. You can observe the transparency. Then go to color option and select slightly yellowish orange color. This is looking good. Now go down to emission option and increase the value to 1. Now go to color down below and click on checker box and in options create ramp node. Now follow these steps. Click on first color from color range and select dark color of flame like ash color. Match something near to this color. Now adjust the color position. Then go to second color option and change color to orange to match fire color. Adjust the color portion accordingly. Now let's check on how well did we match the color flame. Hit on render. This is looking good. Now we need little glow effect to match the real world lighting of candle flame. Let's go to Nuke. Here we are. Render all the required passes in this format and make this flowchart. Now go to emission pass and create a roto node and attach to emission node. Now create a random shape around the candle flame like this. And in roto settings change to alpha mode in pre-mult and output option. Then create another node glow node which is used to create the sparkle or glow like effect around the flame which is similar in real life. Go to its settings and change channel to RGB option and then adjust its size. We are done with the output. Check this. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.